Hi, welcome to another edition of Tuesday Nugget Remarks Nigeria. I am Okoyemi Adiemi, and on today's edition, I'll be taking you on 3 tips on how to maximize small spaces in your house. Tip 1. Choose neutral tone. Neutral colors work well alongside natural light and will fool the eyes to thinking there is more space than there actually is. Keep the main color scheme simple and throw in a bit of subtle texture and pattern to add a bit of variety. Tip 2. Add a mirror. Mirror reflects light, making the room look larger and more welcoming. Whether you had a bedroom mirror or a mirror in your living room, this simple touch will brighten up your space. Tip 3. Invest in functional furniture. Where possible, invest in furniture with dual purposes like a bed that has storage space underneath. Look at the space you have and consider how furniture will improve the functionality of your room. For more information and tips, please visit our website at www.remax.ng. You can also visit us on our social media handles currently showing on your screen. Also, for more videos, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel.